Hi everyone, this is Bowen here at UtahBIM. We're really excited to share with you our latest development in modeling out stone paneled walls. These beautiful architectural stonework walls are actually quite complicated, and they have clips on the back of the stone panels, they have clips on the walls for them to go together. And so I kind of wanted to show off how our solution helps mitigate a lot of the challenges surrounding modeling out the stone panels for people that do this type of work. So let's get to it. So first I want to show off the 3D model that we have here. In Revit, what you can usually do is model out wall sweeps. We've kind of got a different direction, and we've actually modeled out each individual piece of stone as its own panel. And that's great because wall sweeps have a tendency to just kind of click together and make, instead of a bunch of different pieces, one long piece. Ours doesn't suffer with that same predicament. And what's also great is that for each of these stone panels, we can actually put the clips right on the back of the panels. And so you can have them in a place where they're not going to move around. If the panel moves, they move with it, and you can quantify all of these things. We've also modeled out the grout here. If you want to get a quantity takeoff on your grout, that's a possibility. And what's nice is that we can also customize the layout of these stone panels. So you can see some of here are doing this regular running bond, and these ones here on the bottom have more of an irregular one. We can open up a hole in the wall for the doors, for the windows, and have the stone go around that. And anyway, that's the 3D model. You can see we also have these clips here on the back where the stone clips onto. So let's go and check out the sheet that we've created with all of this. The the best part, I think, about modeling out each stone panel in Revit is that you get an accurate quantity takeoff. This right here is straight from Revit. If I delete an element in my Revit model, this gets deleted. These are all of the individual pieces of these stone panels that I have modeled in my model currently. You can see I have 60 SPO1s and I have 10 SPO4s. You can see the square footage. You can calculate the width of each of these, the height, they're all there. You can see they're grouped by their width and their height. So that's exciting. You can see our grout schedule here. When we come over here to this elevation view, we can tag all of our stone panels. So you can see our SPO1s are down here. Our SPO4s are these nice profile ones up here. We can do a section through the model. And what's exciting about this is there are no detail elements here. What I mean to say is that often when you create a detail in Revit, you kind of fake the funk, so to speak, and you draw some lines and some hatch patterns. Nothing that you're seeing here is a detail line. Actually, I didn't even put any dimensions here. This is au natural. These are separate elements within Revit. So that's really exciting. And let's go take a look at our 3D section views down here. So this is a 3D view of the wall, so you can view it in context even on your printed out sheet. And then we've done another kind of example 3D view for our more complicated areas, right? So you want to show the field personnel how this is all going to go together. You can create one of these cool 3D views that can show some transparency and some depth to what's going on here. So that's pretty neat. And then of course, here's just another section. And then what's really special about all of this is that we can create a QR code for this model and show it to your people on the web. So what that means is when we come over here to Speckle, this is on Google Chrome. You don't need to buy a subscription of Revit. You don't need to buy a subscription of ACC. This just lives here on the web. What the other thing that's really cool about this is that we can place values within each of these stone panels, and as they go through the procurement process of has it been approved, has it been shop drawing approved, has it been procured, has it been shipped, has it arrived, has it been installed, all of that can be tracked. We can color code it here so that you can view your entire project. I know this is just a wall, but you could view your entire project and see how much of this has been installed visually and understand what's on time, what's not on time, and be able to do some project management as well as get a really great set of shop drawings. So we can do all of this. We can do more. If you or anyone else you know have these stone panel projects that are complicated and getting good 3D models is just difficult, and the shop drawings are taking a ton of your time, and you want a more simple solution for your project, reach out to us. Go to www.utahbim.com, give us a shout, and we'd be happy to take a look at this for you. Anyway, till next time.